Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. I had a request to show if you go to the Design Bundles site, which I already have here on my computer, how you unzip something that you either purchase or you've downloaded for free. Okay, so I'm on like I said, the designbundles.net website. And this little baking clip art I thought was so cute with the girls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click download files right here at the green. And then if you look right down here, it says click on file name to download. And right here it is. I'm clicking on that. Let me make this a little bigger. I don't know if it will help, but I'm going to click on that. And that's going to put it up here in my downloads right here. So I'm going to click on that. And I have a Mac, so what I have to do is just double click on this, and there it is. It pops it up right here. So that's all I have to do. If you click on these blue folders right here, this one is the PNGs, okay? And then these are the JPEGs. So I'm just going to double click on these, and this opens all of them right here, and I can just click and it will open them. Now, like I said, I have a Mac. I don't know. I had, and then each one of them are down through here. You want to go to the next one, you just click on it, and you just keep going like that to see them. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have, I just think these are adorable. If you have like just a PC, I'm sure you could Google how to unzip those. I'm trying to remember when I had my PC how I unzipped files, and I believe I did it the exact same way. Just double click on that file and you have it unzipped then, and you can put it in whatever folder that you want. But I just think these are really sweet, and they have so many cute little images. I can't wait to start working with these. I mean, it doesn't have to be for Valentine's with these. Let me just go down through here randomly and look at them. I mean, they have so many cute images. I really do. They have the blondes and they have the brunettes. So I hope that that was helpful to you. Then once you get what you want, then you just go to your Cricut right here. I'm going to open Cricut Design Space. Okay. And I'm going to move this one over here. And I'm not going to make this full screen so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to new project, the circle with the plus, and this is how you upload them. Okay. Then I'm just going to upload, and then I'm left corner right here where it says upload at the bottom. Then I'm going to go under image. Now if you want to upload patterns, you do that over here, but this is an image, so I'm going to hit upload image. You can either click browse and go down through here, or if you know which one that you want, I know this has got to be hard to see. Let me click on this. I don't think I want that one. I'm looking for a brunette. Let's see. She's cute. So say I wanted to do her, okay? So I can just take this and drag it here and it will upload her. You always want to choose complex. So I'm going to click on complex and just hit continue. Continue, because we don't need to erase anything. You always want to save it as a print, then cut. And then right here I'm just going to put girls baking, comma, and design bundles.net, and then save it, and then that shows up right here. And say I want to do another one, I'll double click on her. I think she's cute. So that's still highlighted. I just go here. Well, first I have to hit upload image, and then I'm just going to bring her, drop her, complex, continue, then it has baking up here. You could always change your name if you wanted, but I'm just going to put brown hair girl curly baking and design bundles .net. Okay, and save that one. And then let's see. Oh, I think she's cute too. So we'll just go ahead and click on upload image right here. Then we'll save it. Say you don't want to drag it and pull, then you can go to browse right here. Okay, I'm going to go up here to recents. If you have sort of trouble finding it, then you can go there, and these are those. Okay, so here's all of them right here. So all I need to do is just find the one that I want, and let's say we want this one, and then we'll just hit open, and it automatically put it in there. You save complex, you pick that, it puts that green box, you hit continue, continue, and you always want to save it as a print then cut. You know you've saved it because of the green. Let me get out of that. I'm going to make this bigger. You know you've saved it because it puts the green box around it. Then I'm just going to go over here, and I'm just going to put brown hair girl baking with hat, and then put a comma and put design bundles.net, and then save right bottom corner. So, and then that will show you the 3 that I've uploaded. So it's really easy to upload an image. You can always rename them if you need to, so you can find them easier. But basically, to unzip them, you just double click on them. Okay. Now, what I want to do, I'm going to go to new project, the circle with the plus. That will put us on our canvas, because I want to do a little DIY for Valentine's with a glass container that I got at Target's Dollar Spot. It's red, and it looks like these little containers that you can go and they'll put tea in them. Okay. So what I want to do is and I'm just going to go to images over here on the left hand side of the screen, and then I'm going to the right top corner, click on cartridges, and in that search box type in Valentines. And I want something out of this group. You can see you have a lot to choose from, so I'm going to click on this. You do have to be an Access member because of these little green A's. And I thought that it would be really cute to put I love you to the moon and back on this red container that I have, that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot. And it's a really pretty red glass, and it's the kind that you see out that you can get tea in it. So I'm going to click on I love you to the moon and back, and then I'm going to go right bottom corner, insert images. Now, if you'll see when that comes in, if you look over here to the layers panel, it's a cut, and that's what I want to do because I'm going to use some white Cricut vinyl. All right, so I need to see about what size that I want to make this, and I think I want to make it, I think maybe 2.5 by 2.5. Okay, now you can adjust this by pulling, and it will change the size. Let me zoom in. So I can take it to, like, if I wanted to do it this way, I can get it down to, well, it's about 2.5 by 2.5. I might just go with this. If you want a particular size, you can go up here to the size and unlock it, put your sizing in, and lock it back. But I think I'm going to do this. Then we're just going to go to the right. I think that will work. So I'm making mine 2.407 wide and 2.41 high. So we're going to make it right top corner. Click on that. It's going to sort it on my mat. And with this, you're going to be using transfer tape, so you don't want to mirror the image or anything like that. So we're going to go continue right bottom corner, click on that, and it's connecting to my Cricut. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is browse all materials right here, and I'm going to type in vinyl, hit enter, and I don't know which vinyl this is. I think it's I'm just going to click premium vinyl because I think that's what it is. It will put a check mark on here, and then I'm going to hit done, right bottom corner. And then the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this a really cute sign for this canister. Okay, here is the glass that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot. It's a really pretty red, and I don't know, it doesn't say how much it was, but in the Dollar Spot, I don't think it was much. And then I'm going to be using the Arteza vinyl again, and I just have it in the white, and you can tell that it's not iron-on because of the back. And I was originally going to use Cricut, but the only thing that I had was white iron-on, so that won't work. Then I had some transfer tape here, that from Cricut, and I went to the Dollar Tree like some of you told me to just check about their little tape that I could use, but we don't have anything in our store, not even the contact paper. I don't know why. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've decided I'm going to go in and make this bigger. So I'm going to hit finish. I'm going to go back in here and pull this out bigger because the more I think about it, I don't think I would like it being that small. So this is 3 and 3. Might even go a little bit bigger. Okay, so I've got it like at 3.31 and 3.325. It's just whatever you want, okay? And I'm just going to go back up to make it right top corner. Just do all this over again, okay? Then I'm going to go to continue. And I'm just going to pick just plain vinyl again. And I'm just going to choose premium vinyl, I think. Okay. And then I'm going to cut this down somewhat because I don't need all this. Then I'm just going to put this right on here. Make sure it's adhered well. Put it underneath these little flaps and hit the blinking arrow to load it and the blinking C to cut. Now, I've already cleaned this with rubbing alcohol, and you just want to clean it so it'll get a nice adhesion to it. And I'll go ahead and put the link to Arteza in the description box just in case you want to order it. You get 42 sheets, and it comes in a lot of these colors. My only problem that I always had with it was cutting, but I think I may have found a way to lessen that situation that I was having. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to eject this once it gets through cutting at all, and I'm going to have it cut it again. And as long as you don't eject it, you're okay. But if you eject it, it won't cut over the same spots. So we'll try this and see if this is a fix for the Arteza. I hope that it is because I really love their colors. They're so vibrant. And they're very economical when you look at the amount of product that you get. Okay, now instead of ejecting, I'm going to hit the blinking C again to cut. And it's going to cut again, and it should cut right over the same spot. So I'll be back just as soon as this is finished cutting. Okay, it's finished cutting. We'll hit the arrow to eject it. Now I'm hoping that this will help. I'm going to cut off the rest of this vinyl because I don't want to waste it. And then we will start. And so far, it looks like it's working. And I can only hope so because, like I said, I love their vinyl. Oh my gosh, if this is the... This seems to be what you need to do. Because as you can see, even these small little letters are all coming out and they're not ripping or tearing. So I will be using, if this really works, I will be using Arteza vinyl much more because I love it. You can't beat it for the price and you cannot beat it for the colors. I mean, look at this. Even the, I mean, it's all coming out. I mean, you can even get the word back here. It's really, I'm thrilled. Okay, now we're going to put this transfer tape on here. Adhere it on here. Peel it up. Oh, I'm so glad this is working. And you could either just put the letters on it, but I wanted to let the red come through. And then I'm going to try to get this on this bottle like I want it. And then we're just going to rub it on. So if you've had problems using Arteza vinyl, you're not going to have problems now. I kept thinking there had to be a way to do this. Okay guys, here it is. I love how this turned out. It totally elevated this. And I know you can't tell, but with that red coming through here, it almost looks, it gives it a, I don't know, it's really neat. I love it. This is such a simple little DIY. You could put flowers if you want, but I'm going to put tea in it and serve it for Valentine's. I think it would be so fun. And if you've had problems in the past, like I have had cutting Arteza vinyl, this is the way to go because it is so pretty and it just really gives it a wonderful effect. I love it. It is really a good way to cut the vinyl from Arteza. So like I said, I'll leave the link in the description box below. If you don't want to use it, you do not have to. That is perfectly fine. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.